as we encourage creativity and innovation using technology, because this is the frontier for making money. This is the frontier for guys to make films, for guys to create content, for guys to interact and get knowledge. As we do that, we must understand there is the other side of the internet, and that we are living in dangerous times where there are pedophiles on the there are pedophiles who are targeting our kids, there are terrorists who are targeting our kids, there are bullies and people harassing our kids online. And unless we pay much attention to the welfare of the child who is vulnerable, then they're going to be misled and they will have distorted, impaired perspectives about life and wrong values that will make them criminals when they grow up. So this research is very important, and we are hoping that we collaborate with Terror Disoms and other institutions who are represented here, including Communications Authority of Kenya, Child Online Network, I've seen Watoto Watch, I've seen Children's Department and others, to ensure that we synergize effort and save resources by working together to protect the child in this country.